Creating a viral video on YouTube can be difficult, as it is dependent on a variety of factors such as the content of the video, timing, and luck. However, here are some tips that may increase your chances of creating a viral video on YouTube. Focus on creating high-quality content. The content of your video is the most important factor in making it go viral. Focus on creating content that is unique, interesting, and engaging. Keep it short and sweet. People have short attention spans on the internet, so keep your video short and to the point. Make it shareable. Make your video easy to share by adding social media sharing buttons and encouraging viewers to share it with their friends and family. Optimize your video for search. Use relevant keywords and phrases in your video title, description, and tags to help your video show up in search results. Promote your video. Share your video on your social media accounts, blog, or website to increase visibility and drive more views. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages from viewers to build a relationship with your audience and encourage them to share your video. Remember, creating a viral video is not guaranteed, so focus on creating high-quality content and building a strong relationship with your audience to increase your chances of success. How to get viral tags for YouTube? Using viral tags on YouTube can help increase the visibility of your videos and attract more viewers. Here are some tips for finding viral tags for your YouTube videos. Use YouTube's auto-suggest feature. When typing in keywords for your video, YouTube will suggest popular search terms related to your topic. These suggestions can be used as viral tags. Check out your competitors' tags. Look at the tags that your competitors are using on their videos, as they may have already found some viral tags that you can use as well. Use keyword research tools. There are many free and paid keyword research tools available online that can help you find popular search terms and viral tags related to your topic. Some popular options include Google Keyword Planner, RFs, and SEMrush. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to categorize your video and make it easier for viewers to find. Use popular hashtags related to your topic to help your video show up in search results. Test and experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tags to see which ones are the most effective for your videos. Keep track of your video's performance and adjust your tags accordingly. Remember, while viral tags can be helpful, creating high-quality content is still the most important factor in getting your video to go viral. Focus on creating engaging and interesting videos that will keep viewers coming back for more.